Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your SereneLife portable air conditioner isn't cooling as efficiently as before or you're noticing dust buildup and odor, it's a clear sign that the unit needs cleaning. Over time, air filters, vents, and internal components collect dirt, which can restrict airflow and reduce performance. Many users keep running their AC without maintenance, which slowly affects cooling power and can even lead to issues like water leakage or unusual smells. The good thing is, cleaning your unit doesn't require any advanced tools, just the right approach and sequence. Regular cleaning not only improves performance but also extends the life of your air conditioner. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clean your SereneLife portable AC step by step, and try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Remove the air filter from the back of the unit. Step 3. Wash the filter gently with water and let it dry completely. Step 4. Clean the air vents and exterior using a soft cloth. Step 5. Check and drain any collected water from the unit. Step 6. Reinstall the filter and turn the AC back on to test.